So I would like to show how it is easy to configure the iscsi boot via dhcp offering configuration, and it's a brand new Raspberry Pi. So in order to do it, we just have to go to the iscsi configuration, enter our IQN that we'll be using, and add attempt. And now we select the dhcp for IP, and as well that offering also via dhcp. I don't use it now. Save changes. And I think we have to now reset. Yep. And there it is, our Synology esxi. And the esxi is now booting. And how did I do it? Oh, okay, so I don't have the other screen. Let me see. I can do it like this. So what I did is that I configured on my Edge Router X the dhcp options, like so. That's the important stuff that you had to add option number 17 that has a root path option. And basically how you build that option is that, let's say that if this is your IP of your Synology or other device, your NAS, and this one is your IQN of your Synology, of the target that you have. And all together, if you concatenate all those things, you would, forget it. So you have the type iscsi, IP address, the version protocol, then the port number for iscsi. This is your LAN number, and then it's the IQN of the target, where I tapped here that this is the X. So in this case, like X is the protocol version, Y is the port, the Z is the LAN ID. And you have to add this part, that escape. You are escaping the quotation mark. And then to make sure that everything went just fine, then you can read your dhcpd config on the router. And basically it has to look similar like this, so that you know that you will not lose, that quotation mark here, over here. And you have to be aware that you count those LAN numbers from 1. So if I go here, you can see that I have 2 LANs. The first one is with number 1, the second one is with number 2. So this part here is that number. Right. And then if you want, you can then just also mask it later on. In the in the masking section, you can say who can do what. And that's it.